New tonight, the coroner's office says a little boy who was found in a hot car in Daleville yesterday died due to heat exposure.
Jackson Stoltz's mother is now charged in his death. Now, a bystander tried to save that boy's life.
And that bystander talked to our Alan Carter about that heartbreaking experience. Alan.
That's right, guys. He says the child was in really bad shape when he got there, but rendered CPR for several minutes until medics arrived. However, that was after the boy was left in that car for hours, and there was nothing anyone could do to save him. It was moments of panic, first searching for the little boy, then the devastating discovery.
My child was just found in my car, and I don't know how long he's been in there.
A mother calling 911 after her 2-year-old was found in the parking lot.
They're doing CPR right now. I need someone here as soon as possible.
And then I heard someone yell from across the street that they'd found the little guy.
Ron Patterson is an Army veteran and was across the street at the American Legion and says he just acted on instinct.
I ran across the street and just ran into the house, and I saw the little guy. He was laying on the couch, and so I got him down to the floor, and I just started performing CPR.
Despite his efforts, little Jackson Stoltz didn't make it.
I have seen things in combat, and I've given CPR before, but never to a child, never to a baby, basically. And I have 2 grown-up daughters, and yeah, it really hits home, you know. And then the fact that I wasn't able to revive him, it wasn't on my agenda last night to give CPR to a young baby.
Now that boy's mother, Brittany Wybrink, is facing charges in her son's death. Investigators say she was drunk throughout the day, finding 7 mini Jim Beam bottles in the apartment. Thursday, other family members coming back to the home, not ready to talk on camera, but bringing toys and balloons to say that Jackson won't be forgotten.
The situation is that a young 2-year-old boy will never get to go play in the park, and his life is gone, and that's the tragedy, and whatever happens from the legal aspects are going to happen, but my thoughts are for that young boy who is not here with us anymore.
And currently, Wybrink is charged with neglect of a dependent. Guys, she remains in the Delaware County Jail. She's being held without bond.
Yeah, sad story. Thank you, Alan.
Yep, terrible.